Hey guys, Andrew Hauser, Fat Chef. Welcome back to the Hauser Fam 5 channel. That's a tough one to say. But anyway, so we just got back from an epic Baja trip, slayed the Yellowtail and Cabria and such. Roll the tape. Here's Vincent on a big yellow. Woo! Way to go, Vincent. Yeah. Dominick's gonna gap it. Dominick's gonna help gap it. Yes! Look at Dominick gap Vincent's yellow. Let's check it out. Let's hold it up. Woo! Nice one. Way to go, Vincent.
Oh my god.
Oh, gordo.
That! Vincent.
Marcos gets it. Marcos gets it.
No, let Dominick get it.
No, he won't.
Go, Dominick.
Let him.
Oh.
Marcos, you get it.
Come on.
Please, Dominick, go.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Vincent.
I win.
What, Anthony?
Yeah.
No,
Have-
gap. No, no
Yeah,
gap.
Vincent.
I can get.
No gap.
Vincent on the bow.
I get that.
He's got a good one.
Come on, Dominick. Dominick, no Cabria.
Let's fight that one, Vincent.
No gap.
Fight it like you're a legend, young man. Be a legend.
Oh, yeah, I'm a legend, Mike. Oh, I got the gap.
Okay, and we got Joey's got the gaff. Keep the gaff over there. Nope, keep the gaff over there. Don't touch, he's not ready for gaff yet. Alright. Alright, this young man is quite amazing fisherman. If you stop posing. I'm gonna get a bit of view.
He's not British.
I'm gonna get a bit of view from above and I'll stare at Vincent's way.
He's not British, everyone. He's not British.
Alright, take your time, young man. Now we got there below. Oh, I see colour! I see colour under the boat! I see colour! Colour! Okay,
Now you have to pull apart.
ready? Together. Together, Joey.
Here, I'll bring him higher. Joey, do not. Joey, stop. Don't mess with the line.
It's okay. Shh, be patient with her.
I started holding the video just Joey trying to gap a bit.
Okay.
Joey, don't snap the line.
Okay, maybe ask Flauco to help you.
Loco, line close.
Okay. Ella sola.
The tickle stick.
And it's been 30 minutes now. We're still waiting for Joey to
Stop it.
gaff the fish. It's the longest video in the history of all videos.
He's gonna give the fish a heart attack.
He's going for a jolly swim here in the ocean. Oh, we've got him, we've got him. Joey, lift up with all your might. Let's go, Hercules. Hercules. Woo! Nice. Vincent, you're a legend.
Here we go, mommy daughter on a big yellow. Real Joey. Woo! That's part of a triple hookup. Vincent got his, I got mine. And now mommy daughter team over there. Got the whole crowd looking for color. As you can tell, that was an absolute epic trip. But now it's time to make my favorite, ceviche. Super simple. It's probably 10 minutes for all your mise en place, and then the lime juice will cook it. I don't know. I give it 2 hours, and then we'll serve it up on a tostada. But here's what I put in mine: green onion, Persian cucumber, cilantro, 1 jalapeno. I put tomato in mine. My son doesn't like tomato, so I'll dice it and leave it separately, and I'll add it to mine. Red onion, and then the secret right here is Valentina. And I dice all of my ingredients about the same size so that it is edible with a fork, but I like to do it with a tostada. You'll see. Just wait around. You will see. I will plate a tostada for you guys, and it'll be absolutely amazing. Cutting all this stuff is going to be boring, so just going to make a quick reel of all my mise en place. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, now would be a perfect time. Tell your friends, share the video, hit that bell icon. We appreciate you guys. So there is all my cutting, and my mise en place are done. So now, beautiful pico de gallo with cucumber. Basically what we made. I'm gonna hit this with some lime, and then we'll get going on that fish. I marinate my fish separately so that it kind of speeds it up a little bit. I marinate that fish for about 2 hours, and then I'll add it to this, fold it in, and it's absolutely perfect and ready to go. I feel like it speeds it up because it gets more lime juice concentrate on it. Anyway, we'll get going on that next. Use Yellowtail for my ceviche. Comment below what you guys like to use. I always freeze my fish first. I feel like it's a safe thing to do. There it is. Fish is cut up, soaked in lime. we're gonna go ahead and throw it in the ice box for about 2 hours, and then we will combine both of those bowls and plate a tostada. My mouth's watering just thinking about it, to be honest with you. Ceviche is my favorite. All right, guys, now that these have set in the refrigerator for about 3 hours, that fish is fully cooked. Not cooked with heat, but cooked with lime. The texture got a little bit firmer, and we are ready to throw them together and make ceviche. So we're gonna mix it all together. You can see the redness from that picante hot sauce. All that lime juice in there, the jalapeno, the tomato, red onion. And guess what, folks? We officially have ceviche. We made it. Here's how I like to plate it. I have a tostada. And I will do a nice fat dollop. Get some of that lime juice in there. Oh, it's gonna be so good. A little bit more. And I like to add avocado. Because guess what? Avocados are from Mexico, and this dish is from Mexico, therefore, it's perfect. Some avos. Homemade hot sauce. And I know this is gonna sound really, really weird, but we make spicy peanuts in a chili oil. Actually not we, my wife makes them, offshore girl. And we were down in Mexico at a place called Sabina's, and we had them there on our first tostada down there. Absolute game changer. So we make it now here, and we put it on top. Couple more, a little bit of that chili oil. And there you have it, folks. Ceviche tostada. All right, time for the taste. Here we go. Ha ha. Oh, so good. That's amazing. So there it is. Try it. Try making it when you have time. It is really simple to make and absolutely delicious. Thank you guys. See ya.